Hi guys, hope you're good. Right, this is going to be a big money spell. This is to draw money in abundance to you very quickly. Now, you're going to need a few bits and pieces for this one because, well, we're going to be using the number 369, okay? Or 963 is a frequency, and it's a frequency of the gods, the higher power, the universe. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 3 green candles, okay? These ones are just the very the small type pillar candles. So 3 green candles. And then I use tea lights. I like tea lights, because you can use so many of them at the same time. So yellow, and you're going to need 6 of the yellow tea lights. All right, so 6 of those. Then you're going to need 9 of the white tea light candles. So 9 white candles, 6 yellow candles, and 3 green candles. And then we're going to go ahead and put olive oil over them to start blessing them. Okay, so for this one, you're going to need a few ingredients. I'm just going to run through it with you. You're going to need your olive oil. Okay, just regular olive oil. You're going to be needing the cloves, or you can have the ground clove powder. Doesn't matter, whichever one is fine. Bay leaves. You're going to need bay leaves. Cardamom pods. You're going to need cardamom pods. Some sugar. Gonna need your sugar. That's to sweeten up the whole situation. Some cinnamon powder. Okay, you need some cinnamon powder. You can use the cinnamon sticks if you wish, but I'm going to be using powder in this one. And some cumin seeds. Okay. Also, I've got some money rice here. That I've already done. I did a video on money rice already, and I'll put it in the link below if you're interested in making it yourself. And some glitter, some silver, gold glitter. Spirit loves glittery, pretty things. And I've just got some rose petals just to make it look pretty. Okay, and one last thing I should add is some chamomile. Okay, some chamomile herbs, because it's gonna bring in the money very nice and calmly. Okay, and this is what we want. So go ahead and light a candle. Always light a candle, not one of the ones that this is a separate candle now, but this candle you light it before you start, because this is the way spirit sees what you're doing and what you're asking for. Okay, they'll see all the preparations and everything, and this is where they will start to see and try to assist you in what you need. So we're going to go ahead and start anointing the candles. You can wear gloves if you want. I'm not, because the energy of your the energies of your own self will go into the candle. So you're gonna get your hands all greasy and everything, and really rubbing those oils on that. So go ahead and rub olive oil or anoint the other candles. So the 6 yellow candles, just a drop of olive oil, that's all you need. Okay, and the white candles as well. But this one, I mean, it is a lot of ingredients, but you know, sometimes you do need that little extra to bring in what you need quicker. So, you know, it's all worth it in the end. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and just rub the oils at the top. And I've got incense here. I've got dragon's blood. Actually, I've got 3 sticks of incense. I've got 2 dragon's blood and 1 frankincense. You know, you want to use these types of incense because it's going to go up into the ether and connect with the higher spirits. You don't want to be using, you know, the regular sort of like vanilla or anything like that. You need to use ones that's money drawing, the money drawing type of incense. And, you know, these are the scents spirit recognize. So this is what we go with. So yeah, we just you know, just rubbing the olive oil at the top of the candles. Okay, and then you could arrange it however you want to arrange it. I think I'm just gonna put the yellow ones you know, just around the green. And I'm using a disposable foil sort of like container, you know, the disposable ones. And you know, I cover it with foil. So first of all, I do cleanse it down because I use it a couple times. So I do cleanse it down with some Florida water or some alcohol, wipe it down thoroughly, and then I'll still put some foil inside and, you know, line it. Okay, so it's a nice clean, you know, you can use a plate if you want. It's all about preference. It's whatever you want. Okay, so 3 green, 6 yellow. If you get green little ones, you can as well. It represents money and gold, so green and yellow is fine. And you need the purity. If you don't have these sort of candles, you can use white. White can stand in place of any other candle if you don't have the other ones. Right, okay, and then we're going to go ahead and just smudge these candles. Okay, just pass it right through. You can do this before you anoint the candles with the oil. You can do it before, doesn't matter. Sometimes I'll just light some sage and you know, just sort of like put them all nearby and let the sage really cleanse the energy around them. Okay. Oh, I love this scent. Dragon's blood, love it. Okay. Now we're going to start adding our herbs and spices. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to add some sugar. And you just be very generous with using your herbs. Just sprinkle it all around. Okay, sprinkle sugar, not too much, but just enough. You've got your sugar there. Then you're going to add your cardamom, your cumin seeds. Again, you just sprinkle it around. I'm going to go for some cloves. I'm using whole cloves, and I'm also using clove powder. So yeah, just sprinkle some in between, and all around the candles. This is some clove powder. Cardamom pods. All this types of herbs and spices are money drawing, and it's gonna assist in bringing it in a lot quicker to you. Bay leaves. Bay leaves are so good for money drawing. What you can actually do with bay leaves as well is burn them and let it go up into the ether. I think I'll burn some of that as well. Burn some bay leaves. Some cinnamon powder. Cinnamon's so good. It's really good in in money work. I'm actually going to use just a little bit of coffee, because coffee is used to speed up spells. So maybe just a teaspoon of coffee. Okay, that's used to speed up spells. It's super good. Then I'm going to go with my money rice. As I said, I'll put a link in the description below on how to make this money rice. This rice, money and prosperity rice. It's really good for as well, bringing in money, drawing it in, attracting. These are all attracting type of herbs and spices. Some chamomile. Chamomile, as I said, is going to really calm the situation. It's going to bring in the money in a calm way. You don't want money coming to you and it's full of stress and everything else. So when you're doing this types of work, you have to be very specific in what you're asking for and how you're asking for it, because you're going to get it the same way. A lot of people, they say, oh, I want a lot of money, and I want, I don't know, just say 500,000 pounds or dollars and things like that. And you know what, they do end up getting it, but they get it in a very not pleasant way. Sometimes somebody dies and leaves them something in a will, or they get it in a bad car crash or whatever it is, really bad. So you have to really know what you're asking for and how you're asking for it. Be very specific. Universe answers you when you are specific. It matches your vibration. And do this spell when you are in an uplifted mood. Don't do it when you're feeling down and low. You need to be really vibrating on a high level. So when you attract, you'll be able to manifest and see it turn up in your life. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some gold glitter. Spirit loves glittery and pretty looking things. Okay, so I've got gold and silver. You can add in green if you want. Yeah, gold and silver is fine. And I'm going to put some rose petals, because as I said, spirit loves pretty looking things, and you want to attract good spirits. You know, I work with my ancestors and orishas, so I know what they like. You work with your ancestors, you know, talk to them and ask them, and you know, they do show themselves to you in many different ways, and you will know it's them, and you know what they're, you know, what they would like. You know, some spirits like a particular type of fruit. You know, you can always put the type of fruit next to the next to whatever work you're doing. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I've used everything, and I'm gonna go ahead and light the candles and use your intention. Okay, really put out what you want. Candle magic is a very powerful way of using the energies. Every candle holds an energy. Every candle is very powerful in its own way. Even little tea light candles like this, you'll be very surprised what this can do for you. I'm just going to rest it in a quiet place and, you know, let it all burn out. This is what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, ask the universe for what you want and use these this specific type of candles, like 3 green, 6 yellow and 9 white candles. Okay, any questions or anything like that, you know, you can contact me. I'm always happy to help, always happy to answer your questions. So happy Sunday, and take care of yourself, be safe until next time. I think, you know, the next spell I'll be doing will be a beauty spell. So look, you could look out for that during the week, because I'll be listing a video for that. A few people asked me for beauty spells, so yeah, that will be my next spell. Okay, so take care guys, until next time. Bye.